Good morning. Let's drink coffee and eat breakfast. The food that I got from the church yesterday, I think it's, what is this? Maha? This is good for cassava cake. This is good for the partner with the coffee. Happy Sunday everyone. It's a family day today. Enjoy your day together with your family. My legs is spinning. Maybe because of the exercise yesterday. The exercise yesterday at home. So I want to lose weight. I'm so all my clothes is not fit for me anymore. Because I gain weight. So I want to lose weight. Today I'm busy. I cannot have exercise today. It's a general cleaning day today. And I'm gonna wash the clothes in iron later. The hanging clothes that is already dry. I iron that and I hang the one that I wash in the washing machine. This is cassava cake. It's good with the coffee. Cassava cake.